how to create a e-commerce website for free. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your e-commerce website using Google Sites for free. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is how can you get a free website using Google Sites? Well, it's pretty simple. You just head on over to sites.google.com, and if you are logged into your Google account, this is going to be your basic dashboard. Now, on your dashboard you can see that there are different templates that you can use to start creating your website, but because we are trying to create a e-commerce store over here, we're going to start with a blank slate, and we're just going to click on blank over here. This is going to open up the website editor that Google has. So you can make your website if you have a Google account. You don't need to pay for hosting, or you don't need to pay for your domain name. Google is going to provide you all of that for free. So once you have clicked on the blank slate, you can go on to themes over here, and then you can select a theme that you want for your overall site aesthetic. So let's say I want this theme for my store, and once I have done that, I'm going to add my store name. So let's say I have Fashion 101 is the store that I'm looking to create. So once I have done that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on insert over here, and then I can add a image. I'm going to click on upload, and then I'm going to upload any image from my own gallery over here. So I'm just going to go and select one of these images like this, and I'm going to expand it. Obviously this isn't a high quality image, so it has been a bit messed up, but if you're using good quality images, obviously you're going to get better results. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it like this. I'm going to fit it actually, and I'm going to add 2 images instead to make sure that the quality of my images is retained a bit. And I'm going to open up these like this, and once I have added my image, I'm going to drag it over here like this, and I'm going to make sure that both of these are aligned. So once you click on an image, you can see different grid lines at the back, and these will help you align your products accordingly like this. And once I have done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text box, and I'm going to write featured items like this. Once I have added that, I'm going to change the text style obviously, and I'm going to make it a title, and I'm going to make it bold, and I will make a section like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grasp it from the left over here. You can see these dots appear, so you're just going to hold over here, and you can drag different sections above and below like this. And once I have done that, I am going to go on to the right on the insert section. I'm going to click on divider over here, and I'm going to actually delete that, and I'm going to add a divider right below these 2 items like this. And once I have added my divider, I can add a button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on button over here. I'm going to add buy now, and then you can add the link for your button over here like this. And then you can obviously change the style that you want for your buttons like this, and I will make sure that the button itself is centered, and I will resize this image so it fits a bit better. I'll place this button in the center like this, and once I have done that, what I am going to do is I'm just going to go onto the pages section. Now you can see this is my home page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on new page over here, and I'm going to add a women's collection button, and I'm going to click on done over here. Now you can see this is the women's collection button, and then within the women's collection button I am going to click on add subpage, and I'm going to create a subpage called clothing. And then once I have added clothing, and I'm going to add another subpage within the women's collection section. So I'm just going to click on these 3 dots again, and I'm going to click on add subpage, and I'm going to make jewelry. So now I have these 2 sections, and within clothing I can add different subpages as well. So from clothing I'm going to add the subpage called tops like this, and then I can add more subpages like bottoms like this, and then I can start adding my product. So how are you going to add product on a Google Sites website? Well, it's not that difficult if you're worried about that. It's going to be a simple process. What you're going to do is, let's say I want to add images in clothing. So within your clothing section, first you're going to make 2 insertions. So you're going to have these kinds of insert layout. I made 2 categories, so I'm just going to add these 2, and I'm going to upload 2 images. So one is going to be bottoms and tops, so I'm just going to use the same image that I previously used, and I'm going to add shop tops. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on hyperlink, and then you can use this to link like this. So once you have done that, now anytime someone clicks on this, they're going to be led to the top section. And then obviously you're going to do the same for the bottom section. So I'm just going to upload a image, and I don't really have any image for bottoms, but I'm just going to use the same image. I'm going to click on crop, and I'm going to recrop the image, focusing on the jeans like this. And I'm going to click on add hyperlink, and I'm going to add a hyperlink for bottoms, and I'm going to apply that. And obviously I can just remove the shop section, and then you can have a basic little clothing section. Now anytime someone wants to shop tops, they can click over here, and then bottoms. Now once you have gone into your pages, let's say now I want to add my actual inventory. So to add my inventory, I'm going to do the same process. I'm just going to go on to insert over here, and if you want, you can add these layout sections. You can add a image carousel as well, but what I like to do is, first off, I like to change up the header type, and I like to make it a title only banner. And once I have done that, I like to add images like this. So you can add images and there are links over here. So let's say I will just use select image, and I'll use the image from Google Sites to add to my website. So I will search for tops over here, and I'll just use a Google image top like this. I'm going to click on insert over here, and then I'm going to just add a shop now button. Or what you can do is you can add the prices of your item onto your little section over here. But what I would like to recommend is you add the title of your item. So let's say checkered sweater or checkered shirt. Let's just keep it simple like this. Once you have that, you're just going to click on the button section over here. You're going to add a buy now button like this, and then you can create your link for your actual purchase link over here and add that below your item. So you're going to add all of your inventory like this, or you can even add hyperlinks over here for people to purchase your items. So this is how easy it is to create your e-commerce store using Google Sites. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to start creating your own stores with Google Sites for free. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.